Welcome to the Zmanda Pro tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you the process of setting up a backup job for a macOS using Zmanda Pro and then restoring that data. Let's get started. On the Zmanda Pro Management Console, navigate to the Protected Items tab. In the Protected Items tab, click Add Protected Item. From the list, select the device you want to configure. In this case, John's Mac. The Protected Item configuration window will open. Start by giving your protected item a name. In the Items tab, click the folder icon to browse the file system. Expand the folders to locate the specific files or directories you want to back up, select them, and click Save. Back in the Items tab, you can also configure options such as taking a file system snapshot, rescanning unchanged files, or backing up extra system permissions and attributes. Next, open the Commands tab if you'd like to configure any pre- or post-backup commands. For this example, we'll proceed without any changes. In the Schedule tab, click the plus icon to create a new schedule. Give the schedule a name and confirm the storage vault it should back up to. Click the plus icon next to Schedule to define the timing. Choose a schedule type, such as hourly, and set the minutes past hour. Adjust this based on your requirements. Click Save. In the Retention section, you'll see the available storage vaults along with their associated policies. If everything looks correct, click Save to complete the setup. This will take you back to the Protected Items page, where you'll see the newly created item listed. Backups will run automatically on your configured schedule. If you'd like to trigger a backup on a need basis, locate the protected item and click Run Backup. In the Run Backup window, review the selected protected item and storage vault. Click Backup to start the job. You'll see a confirmation that the instruction was successfully dispatched. This completes the backup process. Now, let's look at how to restore the data. Navigate to the Devices tab. Locate the required device, click Actions, and select Restore. Select the required storage vault and click Next. You'll now see a list of protected items for this device. Expand the entry and select the snapshot you want to restore, then click Next. Choose your restore method: files and folders to restore the backed up files directly, or compressed archive file to restore them into an archive. Click Next. Zmanda Pro allows you to restore data in different ways depending on your requirements. Select an output directory by clicking Browse. Once everything is configured, click Restore to start the process. You'll be taken back to the dashboard, where you'll see a confirmation that the restore instruction was successfully dispatched. To check the status of a backup or restore job, you can view it in Job Logs tab at any point of time. That completes the process of setting up a protected item, running a backup, and restoring data for a Mac using Zmanda Pro.